If A is to B is to, that means equal to C is to D, prove that 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. So let's solve one by one. So first what we have to do, that A is to B is to C is to D. We can write A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, just multiplying by 2 by 5. So 2A by 5B is equal to 2C by 5D. After that, by applying the componendo and dividendo. That is the in the upper part, that is in the numerator part, we have to add, and in the lower part, that is in the denominator part, we have to deduct, that is the subtract. Okay, so 2A plus 5B divided by 2A minus 5B is equal to 2C plus 5D divided by 2C minus 5D. See what is given over there in the question paper. Now come to the problem number 2. Again, A by B is to C is to D. So we can write A by B is equal to C by D, multiplying by 5 by 11. So we can write 5A by 11B is equal to 5C divided by 11D. After that, applying that componendo and dividendo, that is addition divided by subtraction, 5A plus 11B divided by 5A minus 11B is equal to 5C plus 11D divided by 5C minus 11D. Now applying the alternando, means this part will be coming here and this part will be going here. So after that, 5A plus 11B divided by 5C plus 11D is equal to 5A minus 11B divided by 5C minus 11D. That is proved. Come to the next problem, that is problem number 3. Again, A is to B is to C is to D. So we can write A by B is equal to C by D after multiplying by 2 by 3. So we can write 2A divided by 3B is equal to 2C by 3D by applying the componendo and dividendo. The same process, 2A plus 3B divided by 2A minus 3B is equal to 2C plus 3D divided by 2C minus 3D. After that, cross multiplication, that is that 2A plus 3B into 2C minus 3D is equal to this one into this one, that is 2A minus 3B into 2C plus 3D. Come to the next problem. If A is to B is to C is to D, then we can write again in the same manner, that is the A by B is equal to C by D multiplying by 1 by M. Okay, so 1 or we can say I by M. So IA divided by MB is equal to IC divided by MT. After that, again the componendo and dividendo. IA plus MB divided by IA minus MB is equal to IC plus MD divided by IC minus MD. After applying the alternando, that this part divided by this part is equal to this one divided by this one. After that cross multiplication, we will get the result. Okay, come to the next problem. That is the if 5x plus 7y divided by 5u plus 7v is equal to 5x minus 7y divided by 5u minus 7v, so that x by y is equal to u divided by v, and number 2 is also there. So let's come one by one. So first I will write it after applying the alternando, that 5x plus 7y divided by 5x minus 7y is equal to this one divided by this one. After applying componendo and dividendo, you will get this. After one step calculation, you will get the 10x divided by 14y is equal to 10u divided by 14v. Dividing by 10 by 14, you will get x by y is equal to u by v. So it is proved. Come to the second problem. What is given over there? 8a minus 5b divided by 8c minus 5d is equal to 8a plus 5b divided by 8c plus 5d. So first applying the alternando. So as we know that alternando will be 8a plus 5b divided by 8a minus 5b. So this one divided by this one is equal to 8c plus 5d divided by 8c minus 5d. Now applying the componendo and dividendo. Okay. So after a little bit further calculation, dividing by 16 by 10, you will get a by b is equal to c by d. So it is proved. Come to the next problem. If 4a plus 5b into 4c minus 5d is equal to 4a minus 5d into 4c plus 5d, prove that a, b, c and d are in proportion. Okay. So how to solve this? So first let's write the equation as it is given over there. After that we can write 4a plus 5b divided by 4a minus 5d is equal to 4c plus 5d divided by 4c minus 5d. After that same process applying the componendo and dividendo. After that dividing by 8 by 10, you will get a by b is equal to c by d. So we can say that a, b, c and d are in proportion. Come to the next problem, that if PA plus QB is to PC plus QD is to, that means is equal to PA minus QB is to PC minus QD. Prove that AB is to B is to C is to D. Okay, so let's write the equation as it is given. After that we can write as under that PA plus QB divided by PC plus QD is equal to this one divided by this one. Okay, a little bit calculation or simplification. After applying componendo and dividendo, we will get this much, that 2PA plus 2QB is equal to 2PC divided by 2QD. After that dividing by 2P by 2Q, you will get A by B is equal to C by D. So therefore we can say that A is to B is to that is equal to C is to D. Let's come to the next problem. If if MA plus NB is to MC plus ND is to D, prove that A, B, C and D are in proportion. So first I will write the equation. Okay, after that we can write like this, that the MA plus NB divided by B is equal to MC plus ND divided by D. After the cross multiplication, we will see that MA plus NB into D that after that MC plus ND into B. Okay, so here ultimately we can say that AD, you will get AD is equal to BC if we cross multiply and the 2 or 3 step simplification, we will get AD is equal to BC. So further calculation we can write A by B is equal to C by D. So A, B, C, D are in proportion. Come to the next problem. 11a square plus 3b square into 11c square minus 13d square is equal to 11a square minus 13b square into 11c square plus 13d square. Prove that A is to B is to C is to D. So first I will write the equation. After that we can write like this, that 11a square plus 13b square divided by the 11a square minus 13b square is equal to this part, that is 11c square plus 13d square divided by 11c square minus 13d square. After applying componendo and dividendo, you will get this much. After that, one or two step simplification. After that, dividing by 22 by 26, as 22 and 26 elements are there, then we can divide. We will get a square by b square is equal to c square by d square. After that, make a root of both the side. You will get a by b is equal to c by d. So it is proved that a is to b is to c is to d. Very simple. Okay, come to the next problem. If x is equal to 2ab divided by a plus b, find the value of x plus a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b. So, as it is given, x is equal to 2ab divided by a plus b. So, we can write this like this: x by a is equal to 2b divided by a plus b. Now applying the componendo and dividendo. Similarly, x by b is equal to 2a by ab. Again applying componendo and dividendo. Make equation. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now adding both the equation, you will get this one will be is equal to this one. For further calculation, that is one or two step simplification, we will get ultimately 2a minus 2b divided by a minus b. So we can take common as 2, taking 2 as common. So 2 into a minus b divided by a minus b. A minus b will be striked out. So the 2 will remain. Come to the next problem. X is equal to 8ab divided by a plus b. So find the value of x plus 4a divided by x minus 4a is equal to x plus 4b divided by x minus 4b. So how to solve? First write x is equal to 8ab by a plus b as it is given over there in the question. Okay, so divide by the 4a. So x by 4a is equal to 2b by a plus b. After applying the componendo and dividendo, you will get that x plus 4a, x minus 4a, that is the 3b plus a, b minus a, make it equation number 1. So similarly, x by 4b is equal to 2a divided by a plus b. Again apply componendo dividendo. You will get the equation number 2 like this. Now adding both the equation. After that a little bit calculation. After that little bit simplification. You will get 2a minus 2b divided by a minus b. So taking 2 as common, ultimately a minus b will be striked out. So 2 will remain. Such a easy sum. Come to the next problem. If x is equal to 4 root 6 divided by root 2 plus root 3. Find the value of 2x plus 2 root 2 divided by x minus 2 root 2 plus x plus 2 root 3 divided by x minus 2 root 3. So how to solve? It is as it is given that x is equal to 4 root 6 divided by root 2 plus root 3. So we can write it as x is equal to 4 into root 2 into root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3. After that, x divided by 2 root 2 is equal to 2 root 3 divided by root 2 plus root 3. After apply componendo and dividendo, you will get equation number 1 like this. After that, go through the same way. X divided by 2 into root 3 is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 3. Again apply componendo dividendo. Again make equation number 2 like this. Now add both the equation. You will get this one. After that, you can take a screenshot also, because I am not reading part by part like this. X plus 2 root 2 divided by x minus 2 root 2. I am not reading like this. You can do in your own copy better, or you can take a screenshot also. You will get this much. After that, a little bit calculation, little bit simplification, just a few steps. You will get 2 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. So root 3 minus root 2 will be striked out, so only 2 will remain. Okay, then come to the next problem. Using the properties of properties, the find x from the following equation. The problem number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 problems are there. So let's solve one by one. What is problem number 1? That is root over 2 minus x plus root over 2 plus x divided by root over 2 minus x minus 2 plus x is equal to 3. So let's come. Now applying componendo and dividendo. Okay. The first one, that is root over 2 minus x plus root over 2 plus x plus the lower part divided by this one minus the lower part, that is the numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator is equal to, in the lower part nothing is there, so it is assumed that 1 will be there. So 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So on further calculation, a little bit calculation, that is 1 or 2 step. After squaring both the sides, why we are squaring? Because root is there. Once we square it, the roots will be vanished out. So we will get 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x is equal to 4 by 1. After that cross multiplication, you will get x is equal to minus 6 by 5. Come to the next problem. This one is there. We will apply same procedure, componendo and dividendo. Okay. After a little bit calculation, few step, squaring both the sides. These symptoms are very common. First apply componendo dividendo. After that, squaring both the sides. Okay. After that, the cross multiplication. Just few steps, you will get x is equal to 263 divided by 20. Come to the next problem, that is problem number 3. This one is equal to a by b. Now apply the same procedure, componendo and dividendo. Okay, so is equal to a plus b divided by a minus b. Again further calculation, 1 or 2 steps, again squaring both the sides, again by applying componendo and dividendo, again apply just 1 or 2 steps, you will get x is equal to 2ab divided by a square plus b square. Come to the problem number 4, that is this one is equal to 3 by 2. Again apply that component and dividend process. On further calculation, you will get this one will be equal to 5 by 1. As roots is there in both the sides, then we have to square both the sides, so that the roots will be automatically vanished out. Okay, after that a cross multiplication, you will get x is equal to 76 divided by 38 is equal to 2. Now come to the problem number 5. This one is equal to 5 by 1. By applying componendo and dividendo, this one plus this one minus this one. After that, a few step calculation. After that, squaring both the sides. After that, cross multiplication. So you please mark up the following step. First, apply component to dividend. After that, a little bit few steps. Okay, after that, squaring both the sides, you will get x square is equal to 1. So value of x will be plus or minus 1. So we can verify also, put x is equal to 1. You will get, see, x is equal to 1, 5 by 1. Hence x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. So put 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to not 5 by 1. So x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution. Just like this, you can verify also. Okay, in the exam, you can show the verification process also. Come to the next problem. This one divided by this one is equal to C by D. So first we will apply componendo and dividendo. After that, a few step calculation. After that, squaring both the sides. After that, again componendo and dividendo. After that, further few step calculation. After that, cross multiplication. You will get x will be equal to 2acd divided by c square plus d square. Okay. Next, come to the next problem. See, the two questions are there. 3x plus root over 9x square minus 5 divided by 3x minus root over 9x square minus 5 is equal to 5. Question number 2. So let's come one by one. So write the equation as it is given over there in the question. After that, applying the componendo and dividendo. After that, little bit calculation. After that, squaring both the sides. These steps are very common in each and every sum. After that, the cross multiplication. You will get the values of x will be the plus 1 minus 1. So right now we will verify, put x is equal to plus 1. So it is coming 5 by 1. So hence x will be is equal to 1. Okay. After that, come to the equation number 2. That is the second problem. So 2x plus root over 4x square minus 1 divided by 2x minus root over 4x square minus 1 is equal to 4. So after that, you can go for the cross multiplication. Okay, that you will get the 36x square is equal to 25 into just like this. After that, a little bit simplification. After that, squaring both the sides. After that, you will get the values of x will be is equal to 5 by 8. Come to the next problem. That is 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus x plus x square is equal to 62 into 1 plus x divided by 63 into 1 minus x. So this is the solution. So first I will write this. After that, a little bit calculation, few steps. Okay, you will get 1 plus x cube divided by 1 minus x cube is equal to 63 divided by 62. After that, applying the componendo and dividendo. Again few steps, you will get x is equal to 1 by 5. Come to the next problem. Solve for x. 16 into a minus x divided by a plus x to the power cube is equal to a plus x divided by a minus x. So first I will write the equation. After that, a little bit simplification. That this one into this one is equal to 16. After that, again few steps simplification. After that, again applying the componendo and dividendo, you will get x is equal to a by 3. So if a plus x divided by a minus x is equal to minus 2 by 1, okay, again apply the same process, componendo and dividendo. Write it like this. Again few step calculation. You will get x is equal to 3a. So the values of x will be a by 3 and 3a. We are getting the two values of x. Come to the next problem. x is equal to root over a plus x plus root over a minus x divided by root over a plus 1 minus a minus 1 using the properties of proportion, so that x square minus 2ax plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the solution. First I will write this. After that a little bit simplification. After that applying the componendo and dividendo. After that a few step calculation. Again applying the componendo and dividendo method. After that taking out the common terms, you will get x 2x is equal to x square plus 1. After that x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is proved. See what is the question? We have to show that x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So ultimately it came that x square minus 2ax plus 1 is equal to 0. Come to the next problem. If x is equal to this one and apply the componendo and dividendo, prove that b square is equal to 2x a square x divided by x square plus 1. So first I will write this. After applying the componendo dividendo, few step calculation. After that squaring both the sides. After that again apply componendo dividendo. After that few step calculation, you can take a screenshot of that of my calculation. So you will get b square is equal to 2a square x divided by x square plus 1. Okay, come to the next problem. Given that a cube plus 3ab square divided by b cube plus 3a square b is equal to 63 by 62, using componendo and dividendo find a is to b. So first I will write the equation as it is given over there in the question, applying the componendo and dividendo process. After that one or two step few calculation. After that cross multiplication. Each and every sum the pattern is the same. After that few step calculation, you will get a by b is equal to 3 is to 2, that is 3 by 2. Okay. Come to the next problem. Given x cube plus 12x divided by 6x square plus 8 is equal to y cube plus 27y divided by 9y square plus 27. Using componendo and dividendo, find x is to y. So first I will write the equation. After that applying the componendo and dividendo. After that further calculation or few steps. Again applying the componendo and dividendo. After that again cross multiplication. You will get x by y is equal to 2 by 3. You can take screenshot of this entire solved sum. Okay. You have to practice a little bit at home. Okay. So hence the required ratio of x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3. So 2x by 4 is equal to 2y by 3. So x by 2 is equal to y by 3. After that the cross multiplication, you will get the x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3. Let's go to the next problem. Using the properties of proportion, solve the following equation. For x, x cube plus 3x divided by 3x square plus 1 is equal to 341 divided by 91. So first I will write it. Again apply componendo and dividendo. Again further calculation. After that, as we can write that x plus 1 cube divided by x minus 1 cube is equal to 216 by 125 is equal to 6 by 5 to the power 3. After that cross multiplication, you will get x is equal to 11. Come to the next problem. If x plus y divided by ax plus by is equal to y plus z divided by ay plus bz is equal to z plus x divided by az plus bx, prove that the each of these ratio is equal to 2 by a plus b unless x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So what is given over there? That is this one is given over there. Just by add, this is by addition. This one plus this one plus this one divided by this one plus this one plus this one. After that further calculation, we will get this one. After that x plus y plus z will be striked out. the a 2 divided by a plus b will remain, as x plus y plus z is not equal to 0. So therefore it is proved. See the solution. You can take a screenshot. Okay. Now come to the chapter test. Chapter test will be our next volume. Okay.